Today I'm going to review the Lenovo LOQ 15IRH8, a 15.6-inch gaming notebook. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this gaming notebook for yourself and get it at an amazing price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Today I have something super exciting to talk to you about. It's my thoughts on the Lenovo LOQ 15IRH8 gaming notebook. This is a sleek machine that has been my go-to for gaming and productivity. I can't wait to tell you all about the awesome features it brings to the table. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about the heart of this gaming beast, the Intel Core i5 13th Gen i5 13420H Octa-core processor. Now I won't bore you with all the technical jargon, but trust me, this thing is a powerhouse. It's like having a mini supercomputer in the palm of your hands. One of the standout features for me is a 15.6-inch full HD display. The resolution at 1920 by 1080 is like having a front row seat to all your favorite games and movies. The visuals are crisp, clear, and just downright impressive. And with the anti-glare screen, you can kiss those annoying reflections goodbye. Now let's talk about the storage. And boy, oh boy, does this notebook deliver. With a whopping 512 gigabytes of SSD, I've got all the space I need for my essential documents, favorite songs, and of course, massive games files. No more worrying about running out of space. And here's the kicker, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 6GB dedicated graphics card. Gaming graphics have never looked this good on a notebook before. It's like having a ticket to the next level of gaming. The visuals are smooth, detailed, and seriously impressive. Now, I have to mention the 8GB of DDR5 SD RAM memory. It allows me to switch seamlessly between various applications without a hitch. Whether I'm gaming, working, or just browsing the web, the notebook keeps up with my every move. On the downside, there's one thing I'm not too thrilled about, the battery life. With around 4.72 hours, it's a bit on the shorter side. Now for a quick gaming session or daily task, it's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind if you're planning to do all-night gaming marathons. In conclusion, the Lenovo LOQ 15IRH8 gaming notebook is a total game changer for me. From the powerful processor to the stunning display and graphics, it ticks all the boxes for gaming and productivity powerhouse. And the best part, you can snag this at a fantastic price by checking out the links I've provided for you below this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and liking and commenting if you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget that the links to the product mentioned in this video are below this video to get it the best possible price.